song is called Ananda Natana Prakasham. It is again a kriti of Dikshitar in Ragam Kedaram. Ranjini, may I request you to share with us the story of Lord Shiva behind
Definitely.
this piece?
So the sages Vyaghrapada and Patanjali, these people were longing for the darshan of Lord Shiva, and they did a lot of penance and all of that. Vyaghrapada itself means one with a tiger foot. So he used to pluck the most freshest flowers to offer to Shiva as puja. So the Lord has given him the foot of a tiger so that he is not hurt by those thorns and all that. What a beautiful imagination, right? To imagine these things and then come up with a name like that, and then, all of this is deeply rooted. So Shiva, impressed by their penance, gives them the darshanam in the form of Lord Nataraja. Nataraja, of course, all of us know. We know the famous pose, right? So in that pose, in the song itself, we have a line that goes, Divya Patanjali Vyaghrapada Darshita Kunchitabja Charanam. So this Patanjali and Vyaghrapada get the darshanam of Lord Nataraja in Chidambaram. And then the Kunchita Padam, what is that? That is the foot that is lifted. So that is a very rare darshan, right? So usually when we go anywhere, the darshan that we have, the feet are on the ground, or in some cases he might be lying. But this is a very rare darshan. Therefore this song, I feel, the lines that really ring with me are Divya Patanjali Vyaghrapada Darshita Kunchitabja Charanam. Another very beautiful line in this song is Navanita Hridayam. Somebody whose heart is like butter, as soft as butter, it will melt like butter. That must be the vision of God, right? Somebody who can be extremely kind, which is a rare quality these days. Somebody who has that much of empathy in him. So let us listen to this song, Ananda Natana Prakasham. So in the first song we saw sound, Dikshitar being amused by sound, Pranavam. And then we saw light, Swaminatha Paripalayashumam, Bhumi Jalagni Vayu Gagana Kirana, the 5 elements, and how Kirana, the light that is unfathomable by us. Now in this third song, we have Ananda Natana Prakasham, which is about dance, about the divine dance of Shiva. Another beautiful thing is, suited to this song, we also have a jati, a tailpiece jati at the end. Listen to us and enjoy with us. Ananda Natana Prakasham, 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 Chitsabhesham, Ananda Natana Prakasham, Chitsabhesham. Ashrayami Shivakama Vallisham, Ananda Natana Prakasham, Chitsabhesham. Ashrayami Shivakama सनि झं तरि ध समगम पानि मग तण रग मग मम प सानि ध झं तरि प मग तरि गिणतु पानि नि सतग झणु ध सनि झं तरि ध समगम प नि मग तण तक मग मम प सनि ध झं तरि प मग तरि गिणतु नढप्रकाशं चित्सभेशम् आश्रयामि शिवकाममल्लीशम् शीतांशु गङ्गाधरं नीलकन्धरं शीतांशु गङ्गाधरं नीलकन्धरं श्रीकेदारादि क्षेत्र आधारं भूतेशं शाडूर चर्माभरणं चिदम्बरं भूतेशं शाडूर चर्माभरणं चिदम्बरं भूसुरात्रिसहस्रमुनीश्वरं विश्वेश्वरं नवनीतहृदयं 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 सदय भूभुहरागमाध्यं वेदवेद्यं गीतरागिणम् अप्रमेय अद्वैत प्रतिपाद्यं सङ्गीत वाद्यविनोदनादवभूतरवेदगोद्यं वीतरागिणम् अप्रमेय अद्वैत प्रतिपाद्यं सङ्गीत वाद्यविनोदनादवभूतरवेदगोद्यं पानि नि सतग झणु ध सनि नि झं तरि ध समगम प नि मग पानि नि सतग झणु ध सनि नि झं तरि ध समगम प नि मग तण तक मग मम प सनि ध झं तरि प मग तरि गिणतु पानि नि सतग झणु ध सनि नि पानि नि सतग झणु ध सनि नि झं तरि ध समगम प नि मग तण तक मग मम प सनि ध झं तरि प मग तरि गिणतु ध झं तरि प मग तरि गिणतु ध झं तरि प मग तरि गिणतु नटनप्रकाशं चित्सभेशम् आश्रयामि शिवकामवल्लीशम् ननु बालिंप नडचिवचिति